Stockport Race and Culture Award 2024 Music Celebration Awards Dinner. Stockport Race and Culture Awards was launched in 2022 to acknowledge a progressive race equality agenda celebrating role models from diverse communities across Stockport. Let's watch some highlights. Report Mian Aamir Ali, Manchester, UK.
Award brought to you by the the second one, bigger and better. The Stockport Race Equality Partnership have brought this to you. We have an amazing night ahead, so I want a round of applause to all the people who have put this together.
It just makes you realise that our similarity is much more so than our differences. I want to give you the chance to just put your hands together and just welcome yourselves. Thank you so much. I would also like to share Caroline Whitehead is 1 in a million. 1 in a million because she gives a lot, and she's open, and she really pushes so that you can excel yourself. Exactly what this is about. It's about embracing each other, it's about acknowledging each other, and it's about ensuring that we look after each other. So, as you heard, my name is Abba Graham. I won't dwell on the accolade, but I would appreciate them. The reason I'm on this journey is simply because it's the right thing to do. It's simply because there's a young person who calls on me because they don't have a voice. It's simply because there's a woman who doesn't speak English and can express themselves enough. And that's enough. It's simply because it's the thing that we have to do to ensure that we have a better community and a better society. So I'm so proud to be on this journey, and I'm so proud to continue to not only push the narrative for race equality, but to actually ensure that we change the systems, the management, and the mindset, both from our perspective as Black ethnic diverse communities in trying to understand the community we live in, but also from an organizational point of view. So this event today is an emblem of such. And I'm hoping as we progress with this narrative that we will continue to work towards a better community for all of us in Stockport, to bring the Black Pound right here in Stockport. We have to, the Black Pound needs to stay in Stockport so that it works for all our community. I can't see why we all live here. Look at the beautiful colours of people that live here. I also stand for those who are refugees and asylum seekers who have professional aspirations but don't have a pathway to ensure that they meet their aspirations. That this calling is not only for me, but it's for the generation tomorrow. So that is my passion, that is my journey, and that's the pathway I will continue. So thank you. Those who were nominated will make it to the finalist stage were the winners. This is a bonus.
And to be fair, it makes me totally speechless and absolutely proud of every single person who's been nominated here tonight.
Report Mian Aamir Ali, Manchester, UK.